Join my fan code. Me in person. It's the best way to talk to me. So, I recorded a video. Don't worry about that.
Hey, can anyone give me that thing? Do you have that
Let's go to
big
making
thing
money.
to mine? That machine
Yo.
thing?
We're making money. Oh my god.
Show me.
Oh my god.
Show me.
Okay.
Hey, Red. Hey, Red. Do you have that big machine thing to mine? You know that thing that spins the machine?
No.
I do.
You
I got
have it?
5 for a
Do
pretty
you
big
have? Oh no, you don't.
Here. Here. Here.
Oh,
Here.
the
Oh
jewel.
shoot! Let's go. I got it.
Oh, I thought you were talking
Have
about
that one.
my plane.
Oh,
Can we make more
I
money?
got it.
Yippee. I'm poor as heck.
Put in my stash.
Definitely, I'm definitely not poor. No, I got 4 million. You need me to help? There we go.
No, I'm dead.
Oh, it's okay.
Yo, I'm almost to 4 million. Oh my god.
Yo, Green, could you help me test something? Alright, never mind.
I can.
Alright. Grab this grenade, activate it, and drop it.
Can I do?
You guys want something like...
Oh, he's trying to kill you, bro.
Just grab the grenade.
Like, do you want some
Alright,
actual
thanks.
stuff?
Thanks. And now, wherever I throw this, you teleport.
Okay.
No, he's
Bye-bye.
gonna put you in sewer.
Look, he's gonna teleport away.
Yo, this kid's Red Watch. This kid over there is Red Watch. Yo, that kid's Red Watch.
Say goodbye to your drill, buddy.
Hiya!
I don't
This
have so many rifles.
He only wanted the drill gone.
I got plenty of those ray guns, and I can just buy more guns. I don't care.
Here needs the ray gun.
Doesn't affect me.
Yeah.
He needs the ray gun
What'd he say?
back. Yo.
Oh, here.
Didn't strike
Yeah,
me
right
though.
here. Perfect. That's exactly
Okay.
what I'm talking about.
Oh, shit.
I got money to do, I don't care.
Yeah, somebody was trying to make money, but we killed him.
Oh.
Let's make money.
Shotgun.
If we're not, I'm just gonna go to my fan
Weapons
code.
for the monsters.
Broski does not have a fan code.
Yes, I do. Yo, why is this game lagging?
Because of me.
Yo, why is your game lag? Oh my.
I can barely move.
Yo, no. Oh my god, it's starting to lag me out. No.
I got this.
The
Yo.
perfect device to drill
Oh,
through.
fuck!
Okay, they go in my fan. Blowing this hack.
Shotgun.
Said I have to clear out my head.
Make sure to join my fan code. My fan code. Only me. Oh my god. I was gonna do a giveaway. With all these stuff. Nobody wants to do a giveaway. By the way, the giveaway is my fan code. I might not do some giveaways. I might do it in any game like Gorilla Tag or in this game. So, oh shoot. Yo, bro got me so rich. Yo, I wonder how when I sell RPG rockets. We'll get a lot of money. I spent all my money for this. That's my favorite thing to do when it sells. Bro, give me a lot. Okay, I might just explode myself. Explode myself. That's a great idea to end the video. So, in the fun quickly. Okay, I got enough anyways. Go ahead. Shut up, T-Zone. This is the perfect way to end my video.